One of my favorite things at Chick-Fil-A when I was growing up was their Carrot Raisin Salad. And they really shredded their carrots tiny, and it made it so delicious. So we are going to do that today. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take the peel off of 1 pound of carrots. Now, I bought a big thing of carrots because I'll be making carrot cake and carrot bars. And so it only took 2 large carrots and 1 medium size to make a pound. The great thing about using these larger carrots is they're a lot easier to handle when it's time to grate them if you've got an old-fashioned grater like I do. I don't want to get out I just have a thing. I just absolutely hate using food processors. I always have. And so I just don't like them. To me, they're hard to use. By the time I get it out and use it, clean it up, put it back up, I just soon grab my hand grater and go to town. All right, you're going to just chop the top and bottom of your carrot off, and you're going to start with your larger end grating. I'm going to rinse them off in the sink right quick. And then we're going to get to grating. And it's not hard. Everybody makes it harder than it is. Delicious, beautiful orange carrots. And they'll turn your hands orange too when you're holding them. Okay, I'm going to use this bowl right here, and I'm going to use this small grape side. So get ready to take a few minutes. It makes such a difference in the flavor of your carrot raisin salad if you take the time and use this small grape side compared to this larger one, because the juice of the carrot gets down in the carrot raisin, and boy, is it delicious. And that's what made Chick-Fil-A so good. All right, Chris helped me do that. I want you to see how tiny the shreds are. They're so good. It's so good when you make it like that. It is worth the time and effort, trust me. And a lot of food processors may not even have a grater that's that small. But you can see the difference in how large these holes are. See that? And then how large these holes are. And it makes all the difference in the world with carrot raisin. Carrots are nice and sweet, and it brings out that sweet juice. It's just delicious. All right, we're going to add an 1/8 cup of regular raisins. And I'm using regular raisins just because it makes it pretty. I think I'll use a 1/4 cup. It makes it pretty because of the contrasting color. I am a golden raisin lover, but I will use dark raisins in this just because it's so pretty. Yeah. I'm going to use an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, juices and all. We're just going to mix this up good. Let me get me a different spoon. We're going to mix it good. Now, the raisins will pull in some of that juice and plump up as it sits in the refrigerator. I'm going to use a little mayonnaise. Just a couple of tablespoons full. You don't want much because you don't want it to taste like mayonnaise. But the mayonnaise does cut some of the sweetness And it also gives it a really pretty light orange color. So this is a pound of carrots grated, the 8-ounce pineapple, and a quarter cup of raisins. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna put one more. No. I'm gonna add just a hint of salt. Let's do a quarter teaspoon. Mix it up, I'll taste it, and I think that's all it'll be. And I think it's going to taste really good. I keep grabbing the wrong spoon. It's hard to mix it up with that spoon. Give me another one. These serving spoons are great. They come in a set. I can't remember how many comes in the box, but they send you plenty. And boy, they're worth their money. They're stainless steel. Clean up easy. They're on our website under utensils. If you need some good serving spoons for the holidays, these are nice and pretty spoons. All right, we're going to taste it this time. And hopefully that's going to be the magic last ingredient. I want it to taste like Chick-Fil-A's. That was it. Absolutely delicious. So we're going to get this in a nice serving bowl. Cover it up. And you don't want to make too much carrot raisin because a lot of people don't like it. But the ones that do will be so glad you did. Especially if you went to the trouble to really grate that carrot really small like we did. You can see the juice down in the bottom. That's how you want it to look. So if you add too much mayonnaise, it'll be too white and it'll taste like mayonnaise. And you don't want it to taste like mayonnaise. That's what I think happens when you don't grate the carrot small, is it tastes like mayonnaise. Woo! One of my faves. Yes, I ate this when I was young because I love theirs so much, and I was so disappointed when they took it off the menu. Thanks for watching Colored Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Bye, y'all. Love ya.